Hello everyone. So today I will present you the low fidelity prototype design for Bekushal.com which was prepared by our group members Subhranshu, Ayush, Arham, Aksh and Tanish. So Bekushal.com, which is a self-education and testing, that is Shiksha and Pariksha website. We are going to analyze that website and figure out the problems and propose solutions for it. So our agenda for today will be analyzing Bekushal.com website. Then we will take a look at user persona, and at last I will present you the low fidelity prototype design, that is a Figma design prepared by us. So this is Begusha.com, which is a website which focuses on teaching us concepts of data science and machine learning through self-learning. So here on the home page we can see we have got two options like Self Shiksha and Pariksha. So like Self Shiksha is the self-education option for machine learning data science, and Pariksha is a randomized MCQ exam. Like we can also host an exam and we can also give exams. And now let's take a sneak peek into our website before exploring those options. Like this is an image, this is not a clickable link. We have also got a certificate, a machine learning certification. So if we complete the pariksha, we will receive this certificate, and we also have a leaderboard, and there are these two links which will take us to the about us page for which tells us about the founders of this website. So now let's go to self shiksha portal. So it asks me to log in, and I don't know how I opened self shiksha but pariksha portal got opened. So we will see this. Like it asks us for an exam code, exam date, and here are a few informations about that. Like I will open this website in, let's try. So this is the Self Shiksha portal. Like here we will learn these topics based on 100 MCQs, and it will track our success and give us marks according to that. And there's also an option known as Abhyas here. So let's So this Abhyas option is similar to Self Shiksha option, but the only difference is Self Shiksha will track your progress, but Abhyas will not track your progress. So you can give as many MCQs as you want and practice as much as you want. So now we have analyzed this website, and I will show you the affinity mapping for this website, which will point out the problems in this website. So this is the affinity map which was prepared by our team. So all the group members have pasted the problems faced by them in navigating the website on this page, and we have categorized these problems into 5 sub-segments, which are navigation, content, design, functionality, and feedback. So navigation, as we can see, there was a very poor navigation. Buttons were not clear. Login registration process was complicated. Moving on to content, the purpose of website was not clear at all. No clear term was given for Abhyas, and the content was very poorly organized. Now coming to design, the leaderboard was way too simple. The home page and Shiksha and Pariksha page were very unclear and clustered, and the overall UI of the website was hard to navigate. Now coming to functionality, the website did not offer us multilingual support. We cannot go back in quiz, and some links were not working properly at all. So these were a few functionality issues, and at last feedback. So there was no feedback option, no customer FAQ section, and no support. Like if we face problem in quiz or navigating, there was no support was offered in the website. So keeping these things in mind, we have prepared a Figma design which we will show to you later in the video. So before moving on to our Figma design, I'd like to show you the persona of a student, Maya Patel, who is a motivated and curious student who's always looking for ways to expand her knowledge and skills. Maya is pursuing a computer science degree and is passionate about programming and software development. So her goals are to gain practical knowledge, to supplement her college coursework with additional learning resources, and to stay motivated and engaged with the material. In order to achieve these goals, she is facing some challenges like lack of hands-on experience, outdated information on website, and lack of self-learning portals. So what Maya expects from a good learning website is high quality content that is up to date and relevant to her studies, opportunities for interaction, and feedback on her work which will help her improve her knowledge and skills. So now we present you our design for Bekushal.com. We have addressed all the problems in affinity mapping and designed a UI keeping in mind all the design principles like affordance, mapping, visibility, and feedback. So as you can see here, the register button clearly shows that we can register by clicking here. The get started button shows that we can get started with the learning process. And we have also added a search bar which works on the recall and recognition principle. Like the website is designed so that we can easily recognize all the functions of our website, and even if like we have to find something, we have provided with a search bar which focuses on recall principle so that we can search for anything which we want. So now proceeding to our website, here we click on the register button. A page gets opened. Here we can register, and after that it will take us again to the home page. So now we can get started with our learning process. So on getting started we have two options, self Siksha and Pariksha. So we'll first go to Shiksha, self Siksha. So this is a page which tells us about self Siksha, and it has various courses available like supervised learning, logic programming. So let's start a course and see. So here's a notice before starting the MCQ exam. This is the quiz page of our website. Here we have divided the total questions into four sections, section 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have provided a list of questions for easy navigation between the questions. And we have kept in mind user feedback before designing this website. So as you can see, if we have marked the correct answer for a question, it will turn green. And if we will mark a wrong answer, it will turn red and it will tell us to retry that questions. We also have other functionalities like mark and review, clear response. We have also provided with a help desk contact number and email. And one more thing I'd like to mention, we provide multilingual support, and from here we can select a language for our questions. And after all these things and giving the quiz, we can click on the submit button and it will take us to this page, which will give us a feedback that our quiz has successfully completed. And from now we can go to our home module or leader mode module. So for now we will go to our home module, and now we will check out Pariksha module. So this is the Pariksha page. Here, if you are a student, you can enter an exam code or start your quiz. And if you are an examiner, you can even add a quiz. So let me take you to the create quiz page. And this is the create quiz page where you can create quiz as per your choice. You can add as many questions as you want. You can add class strength, exam duration, marks, negative marking, and upload the questions and answer key, and you can easily submit this page to create a quiz. And now moving on, we also have an option Abhyas. If you remember in Bekushal.com, Abhyas. So Abhyas is basically a lighter version of self Siksha only, but here they don't record our progress. So we can give this quiz as many times as we want for our practice and learn. So this is the design of Abhyas portal. And after this, I will like to take you to our leaderboard. One second. Scrolling down to the website. Here we have more options like the About Us page, which will tell us about the creators of this website, like Self Siksha module, Pariksha module, founder of this website. And we also have a certificate. This is the machine learning certificate which you receive when you complete the machine learning quiz on this website. And now finally, here's the leaderboard. Leaderboard, we have options like for today, for a week, for a month. And this is the overall leaderboard design, like rankings, and we also have a like top 10 featured students here. And moving on, we also have the dashboard feature which will tell us about you. Like let us take an example for Jatin, who is a user. So his today's courses are logical programming, artificial neural networks, and this is his learning activity. Like he has total 34 sessions like self learning and pariksha uh, combined, and he can also set a target. Like he has 3 certificates and he has 4 courses. So basically, we have created this design for bekushal.com, which focuses on principles of design. Its UI and UX elements are beautifully designed, navigation features are easy and visible. All the links are working, there are no broken links, and login and sign up process it's much more simplified. So this was a low fidelity prototype which was designed in Figma, and with this we would like to end today's presentation. So thank you everyone.